Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to change the layout of your Canva presentation slides? Canva Mobile provides different layout options that allow you to quickly adjust the arrangement of your slide content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change slide layouts in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Open your presentation project from your designs. Once the presentation editor opens, select the page you want to edit, then tap Layouts. Canva will display different layout options that you can use. Browse through the available layouts and choose the one you like. The new layout will be applied to your selected page. You can continue editing your presentation based on your needs. Once you are finished, tap the check icon to save your changes. To save your presentation, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will start processing your presentation. And that's how to change slide layouts in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.